Why you still look average as a college model, and how can you fix it fast? Now, I'm going to tell you one thing that it is not for sure, and that is those looks maxing, UUDD, bone smashing, whatever the fuck massages they do in your eyes, whatever, like the thumb pulling and all that bullshit does not work and is all a temporary solution. And bro, these black pillars, fucking incel looks maxers, which I used to call myself at some point, but now I don't. Like they just all think that, oh, if I just do this shit or do this, I'm gonna look better, which is like a bullshit reason, and it may be a temporary solution to your problems. Or the black pillars are like crying all the time. Oh my god, oh, that's how you're born. That's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get any pussy. Or the guy who is taller and has more muscles than you is gonna get more bitches than you. Like, bro, that might be true sometimes. I'm not gonna lie to you, but that does not mean that that is the unsaid rule or something that's how the universe works, because that's bullshit for sure. And one of the best ways to actually become so attractive and fast without doing any of those bullshit exercises is firstly something that people don't even talk about that much, and that is to have an amazing lifestyle. And when I say that, I'm not talking about like cars, cash, all that stuff. Yeah, it's flashy, it's pretty, it's boosts your status, it feels fucking fantastic. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Everyone wants that. But that's the thing. I don't know exactly what I'm talking about. When I say that, I mean you have an amazing life. You like go on adventures once in a while. It doesn't have to be like anything crazy or worth that much money anyway. You can literally type on ChatGPT right now. I want you to give me 10 different locations, places, or whatever in my country, your country, that I can visit. I actually, one thing that I've realized I've been using a lot is speaking to ChatGPT specifically. So use the voice thing, whatever, and just speak into it what you would say to a normal person. All the details, like where you want to go in your country, what time of the day you want to go, with what people, how much is your budget, all that stuff. Like, is it too long from my place, right? Like, say all that stuff out loud to ChatGPT so that it can give you way better answers. But the whole point is that you do that right now, and you, for every single week, you write a new event that you want to go to, bro. That's gonna make life so much more fun for you. And secondly, you're gonna have such a unique life compared to everyone else because they're not even putting that much effort into their life. They're putting all this effort into like their work, have to schedule everything, and everything needs to be in place and organized. But you don't do that for your personal life. How do you even expect to have a fantastic, unique life that women want to be a part of? Because they don't want you to be in your desk all day, sitting and working on your laptop, coding or whatever, just going to the gym maybe. That's boring as shit, bro. Like that's fun for us, 100% agree, but that's boring for them. And of course, we at the same time want to create some memories as well. It's not all just about work, and that's fine. Sometimes you do have those times where, you know what? Once a week or something, once every 2 weeks, I'm gonna go on an adventure. Go here, go here, go here. And now you keep doing that for like months. You're gonna have so many different stories, especially if you challenge yourself in terms of like, oh, I wanna do a marathon. Oh, I wanna do this big thing. Something cool like that. You can get some ideas from ChatGPT as well. And boom, now you use that on top of you going out to different places and exploring your country. Bro, it's gonna be so much better for you because you're gonna be so much more fulfilled, like you're doing something with your life. And at the same time, you can invite girls over to come with you, join your ship, and it's gonna be so much more fun. That's what they fucking want. That is so much more attractive than just a guy who's tall and big fat muscles, but is dumb as fuck in the brain, doesn't have any game, is boring as shit actually. All he does is just go to the gym and stay at home, for example. They don't want that. Like, of course, some of them do. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But the higher quality ones that are actually worth it will think, yo, this guy has a fun life. This guy actually is way more interesting than the other guy, even though he's tall and has big muscles. Yeah, fuck him. You think like we as guys as well, do you think we love women that are just like beautiful? Like, of course, we like those 10 out of 10 models and everything. They have a nice ass, titties, whatever. Perfect. But let's be honest, bro. We like them just for like 1, 2 nights, friends with benefits, stuff like that. But then most of the times, we prefer that cute, innocent, pure girl that has soft features, is mostly cute instead of hot, and looks fantastic in a bun, like, with a oversized t-shirt. Holy fuck. Like, that's what we truly want for our long-term partner. Not just like some hot bitch and Instagram model. Like, yeah, for fun, for sure, but for long-term, that's who we want. That's the exact same thing that women look in men. And that's, bro, you can, if you want to debate me on this in the comments, you can. But I'm telling you right now, I have this from my own experience. It's much more fun for these women to be with me anyway. And that's the thing. Even if they don't want to be a part of my life, I can easily just move on. Like, yo, okay, I'm just gonna go there, do my adventure by myself with my friends. I don't fucking need you, bitch. And that's what they find super hot. Like, yo, you are the guy. You don't fucking need me. You create your own peace. You create your own life. And they're like, it's gonna be much harder for them to reject you like that and try to find some other option, because it mostly does not exist. Now, if you apply this piece of advice, which helped me a fuck ton, to your life, hopefully it helps you so much to the point where, like, you just come and you comment like, yo, this helped me a fuck ton. Thank you, Ari. Thank you for all the help that you helped me with, whatever. And yeah, bro, hopefully this helps you as much as it helped me with my life. And I'm not here to just be preachy and give all this advice just to try to push it on you like you don't know anything. I'm just trying to be like, yo, you know what? This works for me, and I'm gonna just give you what works for me, so it hopefully works for you as well, and you can improve your life and just get to your goals faster. That's the whole fucking point. And I get the pain of like not having a girlfriend, especially in college. Everyone has one. You're just like, yo, I'm left behind. What the fuck is going on? I don't want this porn bullshit. I don't want all this other stuff. These low quality women. I want someone who's gonna be there for me. And that's what I'm gonna help you get. That's why this channel is all for. Now, if you're ready to level up your attractiveness, book a quick discovery call with me. I accept only a few guys per month for personalization reasons. And yeah, we'll just see if we're a good fit for each other. Just a quick chat, no pressure. That's all. Watch this video right here. If you want to know more about what muscles to build that women love, that appeal to the female gaze, so you can make your job way easier, not have all these men complimenting you, but instead of that, women, which was the primary goal. And click this video right here for more in depth. Stop wasting time. My G.